Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the cross-chain mapping token xWRING from the Darwinia Network. So Darwinia Network is an open cross-chain bridge protocol based on Substrate. They also have the Crab network, which is a canary network in Kusama. So Darwinia Network itself is on Polkadot. So first of all, let's know like what is the cross-chain mapping token, and this is a good figure to show you how it works. So basically, the cross-chain mapping token xWRING is one like to connect Darwinia Smart Chain and the Crab Smart Chain. So with the new runtime upgrade, Darwinia 1241 and the Crab 1240 upgrade. Now the bridging between the Darwinia network and the Crab network has changed significantly. So now instead of the bridge between the Darwinia chain and the Crab Smart Chain, they will directly support the bridge between Darwinia Smart Chain and the Crab Smart Chain. So that's a big change. So the original, like the old bridge between Darwinia chain and the Crab Smart Chain is no longer supported. And also the old cross-chain mapping token xWRING has been renamed to xWRING Classic. And then like we will have the demo to show you how to use their migration tool. So I will demo that at the end of the video. Let's first talk about the basics to understand how it works. So first of all, you need to check this figure for the Darwinia network. They have two different chains. One is a Darwinian chain, actually three different chains. So one is the Darwinian chain and another one is a Darwinian parachain. And so for this Darwinian parachain, so a lot of you may already know the parachain in Polkadot. So that's the one like in Polkadot. They use security right from the Polkadot, and they also have the XAM to cross-chain between different parachains. And a lot of you may not know, like Darwinia, they also have their own public chain. So the Darwinian chain is just like their public chain. So there are kind of multiple chains already. So one parachain, one Darwinian chain. Darwinian chain contains like there is a Darwinia Smart Chain. So this one is a chain like within the Darwinian chain. So if you check, the Darwinian chain is a primary chain for token and governance. And that's the main communication hub and the routing point of LCMP. So the Darwinia Smart Chain is EVM compatible. So you could imagine this one can be used to communicate with Ethereum, right? And it's hosted on the Darwinian chain. So that's basically the relationship of those different chains. The parachain would be on the Polkadot. And so between like three different chains. And so after we understand the general idea, now we can move forward. And so the cross-chain mapping token, you could imagine like the original one, like we have Darwinian chain, right, with the Crab Smart Chain. Now they changed that. They have Darwinia Smart Chain directly interact with the Crab Smart Chain. And the token, they have the wrapped token, xWRING. It's from the native token ring. And in the Crab Smart Chain, they also have the migration now from the xWRING to the xWRING. And so those are all the relationship and all the tokens. What is the impact on users? So basically the ring, like the original like Darwinian chain, the ring, you can actually convert that to the ring on the Darwinia Smart Chain. They have a Darwinia apps, so you can directly do that here. I will not show you that because it's something like it's there before. So for the ring to the xWRING, you can do the Helix. I made a video a long time ago actually to talk about the Helix. This is a very powerful in the Darwinia network. for the different bridge. Like you can bridge the ring, right? And not just ring, actually. You can get it to the Darwinia smart chain, from the Darwinia chain to Darwinia smart chain and to Ethereum. And so it can just go over different like chains. And so very powerful. I know a little bit about the protein, so I know alpha helix. Those are like a common like structure pattern in the protein. So maybe that's how they name it helix. But okay, or maybe it's from the DNA alpha helix. Okay, so this is one like you can see that like from xWRING to the xWRING, you can also use Helix. So that's a very powerful bridge. So now at the end, I will just show you the token migration. So first of all, you need to connect to your MetaMask. And if this one is showing like not supported, you just need to switch to Crab Smart Chain. But you don't need to go to MetaMask. You can just click here. It will automatically switch the network for you. So now you can see that I have the classic xWRING, and how to migrate that to the new token, the xWRING. It's very easy. So you can see that here I have 300 xWRING, and I'm going to add this to MetaMask, and it's just one click. It's very convenient. Add the token, approve. Okay, so just approve that. All right, and confirm. That's it. That's all you need to do. Actually, it's quite easy to do. So now you can get the xWRING. So I think that's it. That's all for this video. Hopefully this one, the video is helpful to explain the xWRING, the new cross-chain mapping token, and how it works actually, like the different chains in Darwinia. I think those figures, they are quite useful. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye.